Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
During Chief Justice John Marshall's time in the Supreme Court starting in 1801, the bench shrunk from 6 to 5 justices, then expanded back to 6 and finally 7 in 1807. 2 years after his death in 1835, another 2 justices were added to bring the total to 9.
Take our lead.
The Supreme Court decides to hear a case based on at least 4 of the 9 justices of the Supreme Court agreeing to grant the petition for certiorari. If 4 justices agree to grant the petition, the Supreme Court will consider the case. A petition for writ certiorari is a request that the court hear your case.
Take our lead.
The first cases reached the Supreme Court during its second year, and the justices handed down their first opinion on August 3, 1791 in the case of West v. Barnes. During its first decade of existence, the Supreme Court rendered some significant decisions and established lasting precedents.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The Constitution places the power to determine the number of justices in the hands of Congress. The first Judiciary Act, passed in 1789, set the number of justices at 6, 1 Chief Justice and 5 associates.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.